Hi guys, hi, welcome back. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. How are you guys? I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. I've got my scarf on because my hair is in a mess and I did not have time to do it. So I just decided to throw on this scarf. You know, I'm actually proud of myself because the last time I tried doing it didn't turn out this good. But it's actually looking quite good, and I think I'm going to be doing a lot of this summer. Right, so the eyebrow pen that we're going to review today is the 24-hour waterproof fashion eyebrow ink pen, and this is how it looks like. And it's from Lulaa Professional. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I bought it from eBay for £3.49, which I think is very cheap and very affordable. It's meant to be long wearing, easy to color, and smudge proof. It's supposed to give the microblading effect. I always wanted to do microblading, but I haven't got around to it. So maybe if this one works, then maybe I'm going to be using this one until I decide to do it, if I'm going to do it in the first place. The color that I bought was 02 Dark Brown, and it's saying that it's dark brown, a microblading tattoo, eyebrow 3D liquid ink pen, waterproof brow pencil. I'm going to get it out from the pocket to show you how it looks like. I haven't actually used this, but it's already faded. You can tell the price from the quality. The name has already faded on there because I've been touching it a lot, so that's telling me a lot. This is how it looks like there, if you can see. I am actually quite nervous when it comes to this because I feel like you need to be very precise with the application or else it might not work. But we're gonna test it out and see, you know, and see how it's going to turn out. How it's gonna turn out on my eyebrow. Oh, by the way, I purchased this one as well from eBay, and it's called the PHOERA. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, PHOERA. And I purchased the 104 Dark Brunette, and it's an ultra slim brow pencil. That's how it looks like. I used it before, but I didn't like it. I think I should have gotten the dark brown one because the brunette one doesn't really, I don't like how it looks on my eyebrow, and it doesn't show very much on my eyebrow. But yeah, this is how it looks like. The end, this is spoolie on the end, and this is the pencil. There it is. I actually tattooed my eyebrow in 2010, and it's still got a little bit, tiny bit left on the corners. They're not the same size, they're not the same length. So when I'm doing it, I have to try and follow the shape and make it look as close as possible. I'm gonna comb it up, the little eyebrow that I have. I'm going to line it up very carefully, just following the shape of my eyebrow, how it already is. Okay, I'm going to have to try and get it as close as possible. I was somebody else. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. Now we're going to go in. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going in. It's saying that you need to apply it on an upward motion. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. Oh, okay. This is how it's looking at the moment, and it is not giving me that microblading effect that I'm expecting whatsoever. It just looks like just a normal eyebrow pencil that you're using to draw. I'm not seeing a shock. Anyway, I'm going to be applying concealer.
say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
Right guys, so this is how the eyebrow is looking at the moment, if you can see.
I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
The models in the pictures, their eyebrows were looking absolutely perfect, but obviously they already had eyebrows. You know, I like the color. The color is close to my actual hair color, so I love it. I think it looks more natural than a normal eyebrow pencil, but with the effect that I was expecting to get, I didn't get it. The microblading effect, I did not get it. And also I didn't get the strokes that I was expecting to get. But for the price, which is £3.49, I think it's not so bad. And if you want to get that microblading effect or the strokes that you require, then just spend a little bit more money to go on the higher end. But this one is not it, basically. I'm actually going to do another video. I'm going to do a look with this because I cannot do just my eyebrow and let it go like that. Do you see what I mean? Thank you for watching and come again soon. Love you guys.